everyone, today we are practicing for class 3 computations operations. Let's start. How many legs do the given cockroaches have? Looks like they all have the same number. Let's count one cockroach's legs and multiply it by how many cockroaches are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 legs and one cockroach. Now let's count all of the bugs without counting their legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's multiply 16 into 6. 16 into 6. Which is 96. Marvelous! Rohit prepared the input-output table as shown below. What rule can be used to find each number in the output column? So, we need to find from how these input numbers change to the output numbers. Let's see one common pattern that goes with all of these. 7 and 56, 10 and 80, 4 and 48, 4 and 32, 8 and 64, 5 and 40. Let's see. Let's see what's 10 multiplied by what is equal to 80. It's 8 for so easy. 7 multiplied by 8 is also 56. 10 multiplied by 8 is 80. 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. And 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. Let's see if it's correct. Super job! The table shows the number of students in the primary in the 5 class. Each student donates to the foundation for the earthly. How much did they donate altogether? So looks like we have to add all of these numbers and multiply it by 12. So let's start. Let's use column method. 50 is the biggest, so we'll go first. 41 is the next biggest. 30 is the next biggest. 17 will go next, and 14. Now we arrange it in column method. Let's plus them. Let's see if we can find any 10 groups to get. But I can see in the ones column they're all equal to 12. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Plus 0 and 0 is still 12. So 2 will remain in the ones place. 1 will go carried over. So let's find let's find things to make tens. Aha! 5 plus 4 plus 1, which is 10. Now 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15 into 12. So we have to multiply 152 into 12. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 5 into 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 0 will stay. 1 will be carried over. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now let's do the tens place. Put 1 0 at the bottom. 1 plus 2. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1, 1. Let's add them. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 15. 3 plus 5, 8. 1 will go down. 1824. 1824 is the answer. Right on. An athlete eats 1 dozen apples in a day. How many apples will he eat in the month of July? So, looks like, 1 dozen is 12 apples. And how many apples will he eat in the month of July? July, April, November, June, September are all 30 days. So, July has 30 days. And an athlete eats a dozen of 12. So let's multiply 30 with 12. I mean, how many apples? So we have to, oh right, sorry. These all, remember the months I said that go in with 30? It's actually July. So it will be 31 into 12. So let's multiply 31 into 12. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 1 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3. Let's add these. So the answer will be actually we have, instead of 32 I meant 31. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3, and we're supposed to put a 0 in the ones place. So let's add them. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is, 2 plus 0 is 10. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 goes down. 3, 7, 2. Sorry, I got a little confused. Terrific. A rope length is 30 centimeters is cut and divided among 6 children. The length of each segment is how many centimeters? So, a segment is a portion of the real thing of the rope. So, let's see if there's a rope of 30 centimeters and it's divided among 6 children. So let's find what is 30 divided by 6. So 30 divided by 6 will be 5 because 6 into 5 is 30. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. So the segment is 30. That's perfect. The correct multiplication expression for finding the total number of dots is, so there are how many groups and how many things are in each group. So for this, it's plus signs in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups, and there are 4 plus sign in each group. So 4 into 4 will be the number of dots. 4 into 4, which is equal to 16 dots, which is a square, and 4 is also a square. Complete the table. So total amount. So let's find out. So these are numbers. So we have to multiply this with some dash that equals to this. So let's do 95 divided by 19. So let's do it. So we can't divide 19 with 9, so we'll divide 19 with 95 directly. So let's see, 19 into 5 is 5, so we'll write 5 up and we'll put 95 down. We have to subtract these, 0 and 0. Nothing can go down. Let's just assume that is 0 anyways. And let's see what's at the top. That's 5. So the answer is 5. Number of equal groups. So 128 divided by 8 will be the answer. Let's do division. So 8 into 2 is 16, but that is bigger than 12, and we can't multiply 8 by 1. 8 into what equals to 1, we can't, so it will be 1. So 1 will go at the up as the quotient, 8 will go down to subtract, 2 can't subtract by 8, so it will carry over from 1 and become 12, and 12 minus 8 is 4, 1 is 0, so we'll assume that is nothing over there, which is 0. 8 will go down, 48. Now 8 into what is 48, which is 6. So 48 minus 48 is 0. So the answer is 16 for this time. Now there are 45 total amount. We have to find number of equal groups. Amount in each group is 5. So 5 into what is equal to 45? Let's see 5's table if we get it. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 50, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 50, 5 9 is 45, 5 9 is 45. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So 9. Yes, wow. Find the sum of the smallest 3-digit number and the largest 6-digit number. So sum means the addition. You have to add these two numbers. So the largest 6-digit number is 9 6 times. Plus the smallest 3-digit number, which is 100. So let's calculate. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 goes there, 1 goes up. 9 plus 1 10, 0 goes there, 1 goes up. 9 plus 1 10, 0 goes there, 1 goes up. 9 plus 1 10, 10 goes down itself. So the answer is this. Right on. Balwinder deposits 7,300 in his bank account. After the month, he withdrew 4,121 from his account. How much more amount is left in the account? How much amount is left in the account? So let's see by adding. Let's see by subtracting. 73,000 minus 4,121. So 0 can't subtract by 1, it'll borrow from the other place, which is 0. So it can't take anything from there, which will also borrow from the next, which is 0. So it can't take anything from there, so it will borrow from the 3. So this will be 10. Then it will borrow 1 from here, which will be 9. Wait 1 minute.
Nine minus 1, 8. These all zeros will become 9. See, this will borrow from this. This does not have, it will borrow from this. This does not have, it will borrow from here. 3 will give, so this will become 10. Now this will give here, this will become 9, this will become 9, this is becoming 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. These two are 9 now.
Yeah, so 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 will become 2.
9 minus 1.
9 minus 1 is what we call 8. And 3 will become 2. It can't subtract with 4. It'll take from 7, and it'll become 13. And 13 minus 4,
12.
I mean
3 is now 2, right?
Yeah, so 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8, and 7 will become 6. 6 will go down. You the greatest. Find the value of a. So we have to find the value of a. Let's see. So if we multiply this with this, it'll equal to this. Maybe it can. Let's see about 5, because it will end. Number ends with 5. So 55 into 5, 3, 9 and 5. So 5 into 5, 5. 2 will go up. 5 into 5, 25 plus 2, 37. No. So let's try 6 now. 6 into 6. Okay, let's do 6 into 6, 36. 6 will go down, 3 will go up. 6 into 6, 36 plus 3, 39. So it's 6. Great job. Ismail solved the problem as shown below. What expression could be used to check his result? So always you can do this multiplied by this plus this will always equal to this. So let's see. So these brackets are put out to say that this should be that first, but it will be also okay if these brackets wouldn't have been put on, then because you should always do multiplication before addition. But if these brackets are not, it's also okay, but still means we have to do this first. So 4 into 184 plus 2 will be the answer. Oops. Take a bow. There were 21 apples in a tray for 3 children. If each child took this home the same number of apples, how many apples did each children get? So let's see all of these numbers multiplied by 3 to check. So 3 into 10 is 30, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 21 is 63, and 3 into 7 is 21. Let's check it in. Great. Let's see. So this plus this plus this will equal to 60. It can be 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals to 60. 20 plus 16 is equal to 36. Now 20 plus 16 plus 60. 16 plus 16 is equal to 36. 16 plus 16 is equals to 32 plus 20, which is 52. Sorry. Excellent. Pranav deposits 5,197 in his bank account. After a month, he withdrew 20 from his account. How much amount is left? So it will be 5,197 minus 20. 7 at the first row, 7 in the second row, 1 at the third row, 5 at the fourth row. So 5,177 is left. Wow! Surjit deposited 5,286 in his bank account. After a month, he withdrew 3,868 from his account. The amount left in the account is, so it will be 5,286 minus 3,868. So you can't minus 6 with 8. So the 6 will body over from 8. 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 can't subtract from 8. It will borrow from 5 and it will become 12. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. As the 5 is gone, now the 5 will become 4 minus 3, which is 1. So the answer will be 1,480. You're sharp. Pradip deposits 2,691 in his bank account. After a month, he withdrew 1,512 from his account. How much amount is left in his account? So let's subtract 1,512 from 269. So you can't subtract 2 with 9. It'll borrow and become 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 1 will become 0. It will carry over from 5 and become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 will become 3. 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 3. And it will become 4. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And 1 will go down. Let's recheck. Okay. So that's minus. Okay, Bharat is deposit 2,691 in his bank account. After a month, he withdrew 1,512 from his account. How much amount is left in the account? So let's do. Oh, sorry. I thought it was 269. Sorry. 2,691 minus 1,512. Sorry. So 1 will further from 9 and become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 will become 8. 8 minus 1 is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1179. Great job. If we add 203 times in 463, then the number is 203 times is 600. 600 plus 463 is 400 plus 600 1000. 1000 plus 63 1063. Let's see. Great. Okay. So find the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number, which we found out last time. Or largest 3-digit number and smallest 6-digit number this time. So it is this, because the largest 3-digit number plus the smallest 6-digit number will be 6-digit number plus the 3 zeros turned into 9s. Which number when multiplied by itself gives 1000. Let's see. 100. 100. See how many zeros it has? 2. So 100 into 100 will be adding 2 zeros at the end, which is equal to this. Great answer. What number do we get if we add 204 times in 338? So 204 times is equal to 800. 800 plus 308 is equal to 1138. see. Marvelous. The given cockroaches have how many legs in total? So let's count one cockroach leg and multiply by how many cockroaches are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each cockroach leg. 1, 6 legs in each cockroach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 into 6, which is equal to 102. Let's see if we are correct. Woohoo! Well done. So, what into 10 equals to 2200? 2200. So, how many zeros does 10 have? 1. So the answer, so if we multiply anything by 10, the answer will be just like add 1 zero at the end. So it will be, if we remove this 0, what will be the number be? So the number will be this. So 220 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2200. Great answer. The given figure shows a water tank with capacity of 600 liters. It is filled with 360 liters of water. How many 10 buckets are needed to fill the water tank completely? So we need how many tanks of liter to fill the water tank completely? Let's see. The answer will be 24. Wait, they both are there. Let's see. Oh, it was 24. Sorry, my mistake. Aditya is filling bananas in the bucket. The following table shows the relationship between the numbers of buckets and the number of bananas Aditya is filled. Aditya filled how many bananas in 8 buckets? So, let's see a pattern going following. 4 and 12, 6 and 18, 5 and 15, 9 and 27. Let's see if we can find any two numbers. What is 4 into what is equal to 12? Let's see. 3. 6 into what is equal to 18? 3. 5 into what is equal to 15? 3. 9 into what equals to 27? 3. So 8 into 3 will be how many bananas are in 8 buckets. So 8 into 3 is equal to 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Cool. Find the value of this plus this plus this. Let's see. This plus this plus this plus this plus this equals to 75. So there are 5 circles. So 5 into what is equal to 75 will be the answer. The answer will be 50. So So this equals to 15. So 15 plus this equals to 23. So it will be 8. 15 plus 8 equals to 23. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 15, which equals to 31. That's perfect. Table shows the number of students in 5 primary classes. Each student donates 6 to the foundation for the Earth Day. How much did they donate altogether? So let's add all of these numbers and multiply it by 9. 18 plus 49 plus 42 plus 34 plus 18 plus 30. So let's add. Let's see if anything we can make is a 10 foundation. Yes, 8 into 2 we can make. 8 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 20. Then let's take one from one of these numbers. Let's take from 4. It will become 3. So 3 plus 20. 3 plus 3 plus 20. 26. 6 will be down. 2 will go up. So anything you can see which equals to 10. Let's find out. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. Also 4 plus 4 plus 2. Either way. That equals to 10. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 10 plus 5, 50 into 9. So 156 into 9. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. 4 will go down, 5 will go up. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. 0 will be there, 0 will go down, 5 will go up. 1 into 9, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So 1404 is the answer. There was 15 sandwich in 5 in a 3 for 5 children. If each child took home the same number of sandwiches, each child got how many sandwiches? Oh look, we have photos to demonstrate it. So each child took one sandwich home. So let's see if each child took 3 sandwich home. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be perfect for people. Then they will get equal. And even 3 to 5 is 15. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. Oh, I am in 3. I'm sorry. Very sorry. Aditya brought a water bottle, a pilot, and a computer mouse. The water bottle and the pilot cost 457.15 and 678.25 respectively. If he paid 1,552 for all the 3 items, how much did the computer mouse cost? So we have to find out how much the mouse costs. So 1 minute.
This plus this, and the final amount will subtract from this.
So we have to plus these two and minus it with this.
You will add the cost of water bottle and piler first.
Yeah, and minus it with this.
Minus it with total amount.
So let's see. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 goes down. I meant 500. I meant 5. Yeah, so 5 plus 5 will be 10. 0 will go down and 1. Actually, 5 is in the thousandths place. So 5 thousandths, but 5 thousandths is what we're doing, and which actually equal to 10 thousandths, but it's very, but we have to put 0 in one place, and then 0 we have to put only, and then 1 will go up. Now 1, which is actually tenths, 1 tenth plus 2 tenths plus 1 tenth, which is equal to 4 tenths. Now decimal plus decimal is equal to decimal. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 5 will go down, 1 will go up. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 7 plus 6 will be equal to 13. 3, 1 will go up. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. So the answer will be, so now we have to subtract this with 1552. So the minus 0 is 0. 0 can't be subtracted by 4, so it will take from 2 and becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now, so the answer will be 416.60. Right on. Now let's close.